Hi everybody, this is Dr. Stacy and I want to briefly go over the different pieces of the wellness packages that we are currently offering. So depending on which package you select depends on the number of tests that we provide. But I'm going to go over all of the tests in great detail so that you know what they are from top to bottom. And then if you're interested in one of these packages, please call the office and we can go over each individual package and what it includes with you over the phone. So the tests that we run are a CBC or a complete blood count, a chemistry panel, a thyroid panel, a urine analysis, and we can also perform blood pressure checks here in-house. So what is a CBC or a complete blood count? Simply speaking, it looks at three parts. It looks at white blood cells, which can be an indicator of infection, chronic disease, or cancer. It looks at red blood cells, which is an infection, could indicate dehydration, anemia, or long-term kidney disease. And it also looks at platelets. And platelets are simply, if your pet is undergoing surgery, do they have the ability to clot their blood during that surgical procedure? The second panel that we run is a complete chemistry panel. So that looks at the enzymes produced by most of the major organs. So some of the things that we can look at on that chemistry panel is how our kidneys are functioning. How is my pancreas functioning? What is my liver doing? What does my blood sugar look like? What are the basic proteins in my body and how are they doing? The third blood panel that we run is a thyroid panel. So your thyroid has a lot to do with your weight, your metabolism, your hair coat, your energy level. Dogs typically get low thyroids, whereas cats typically get high thyroids. And this is a very, very common problem that we see in our middle-aged to geriatric patients. So even though it may not sound like it's an important piece of the puzzle, it absolutely is. The fourth thing that we look at is a urine analysis. You would not believe how many low-grade urinary tract infections that we pick up, especially on these older geriatric patients. It also is an indicator, if our kidneys are functioning or not functioning. We can also pick up diabetes and stuff on a urine analysis. And then the last one is blood pressure. We have a simple blood pressure cuff here in the hospital. And obviously blood pressure tells us, is our heart functioning and if we should pursue further diagnostics on our heart, such as an echocardiogram. So if you have any questions or you want to learn about this in more detail, or if you want to know which package specifically covers each of these tests and which one would be best suited for your pet, please give us a call. Thank you.